All right, folks, today we're going to try to assemble our wooden toolbox, and we're going to try our best to do that with only 14 nails. So as we look at our different pieces, we're going to try to strategically put some of these nails in so that we're using just 14. So for now, we're not really worried about the base. We're going to focus on the two walls. And with the walls, what I want to do is I'm going to use my ruler to measure. I want to measure up 1 inch from the bottom, and I'm going to measure 1 inch from the top, and I'll make a mark. I'll do the same thing on the other side, 1 inch from the bottom and 1 inch from the top, and I'm going to make a mark there. Now I'm going to try to get as close to the midpoint as possible with my other piece, and that's going to kind of show me where I want that nail to go. And before I start nailing it together, I'm going to just get all of my nails started, and I'm going to do that by nailing just like a portion of this nail into the piece of wood, using the table kind of as my brace as I nail. So with my nail, I'm going to have it at a slight angle away from me, and I'm going to start driving it in. I'm holding the nail kind of at the bottom so that I make sure I don't hit my fingers as I'm using the hammer. All right, there's one in, and we'll do the rest. All right, so that's one wall. Now we're going to do the other wall. All right, so I got my 8 nails going into the wall, and we're going to try to get our ends pre-nailed before we start putting the whole thing together. So once again, I'm going to measure 1 inch from each side, and we'll put 2 nails in one end and 2 nails in the other, 1 inch from the side. So I'm going to find that 1 inch mark again and mark it at the bottom. Mark it at the bottom again. And then I'm going to try to find that middle point on each one. Just hold this piece of wood up and make sure I'm going in the mid section of that wood. All right, and I'll put my 4 nails in. And we've got our nails in the bottom. So now we're going to start putting this together. To put this together, I'm going to use the vise. And I'm going to place this in the vise so that it is close to flush with the table. So I've got my end piece in the vise, the nails are pointing away from me, and then I'm going to place my wall so that it is flush with the end. And I can't quite get the piece all the way down, so I'm just going to put this little piece under here to try to make sure that it's level with the ground. Okay, and I really want to make sure on this second one that it's flush. The first one I still can pivot it a little bit, but with the second one I want it to be flush. All right, so first one is looking really good. It's flush here. It's attached well. For the second one, I'm going to take my end piece, and instead of putting it in here, I'm just going to try to balance this out and hold it in place. So now it's kind of stabilized on this side. So now when I hold it here, it should have enough to hold it in place. Just going to double check. Felt like it moved just a little bit there. All right, that's excellent. I'll get this second one in. All right, great. Okay, so eventually I will have this wall come straight down on here. But before that, I'm going to start thinking about the base. The base will fit in here, and we're just making sure everything fits correctly. Feels like it's good there. I think we're going to go ahead and hit the base in next. To do that, I'm going to put this up like this, and I'll get everything flush here. And actually what I'm going to do is move over to the vise, and so I'm not juggling it as much. I'll hold it in the vise and might tap this in just a little bit. Okay, it's feeling really snug, which is good. And looks like all the pieces are pretty well flush right now. So we will hit this piece in. Yep, I'm gonna just like almost triple check this. I think I'm gonna hit this one first and then this one second, but we really want all the pieces to be flush here. Okay, that's looking good. I'll get this second one in. All right. Okay. Yeah, that turned out well. So we'll flip this over and we'll do the other side. And here we go. All right. Okay, before I go any further, I just want to confirm that my handle is going to be fitting in here correctly. I don't want to get this whole thing built and then have to take some parts apart. Now, the handle's fitting really well in here with the hole we made. So we used a 3/4 inch hole, and then the handle's going in there pretty smooth. And yep, I actually like the way this feels. Our handle's going to be inset just a little bit, and that's okay. And yeah, so what we'll probably do is once we have this all built, we'll put a little glue on each side to hold that handle in well. So I'm ready for my last piece. I'm going to take my wall and line this up again. Let's make sure it's all flush. And we'll nail it. Okay, flip it around. It's looking like it's just a little bit long. I'm not sure if that's just a bad cut. That's where we can come back and try to sand that a little bit. So just a tad bit long. I'm wondering if I can tap this out. There we go. I kind of tapped it out a little bit, so I think that this piece was bent in just a tad bit. So I just tapped it out just a little bit so we can get it. Although now I've got a little gap here. So yeah, might just be some slightly incorrect measurements there. Okay. All right. Let's see if we can get this looking just a little bit better down here. Now I'll just try to hit this in. There we go. And yeah, it's all looking pretty good. So that's how we're going to build our, put the nails into our toolbox. Be safe and good luck.